What is Bitcoin Diamond? BCD explain.
Disclaimer. This is meant purely for informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information is up to you. The video, channel, and associates cannot be held liable for any outcomes by taking action on information provided. Also, any referral links can possibly lead to the creator of this content receiving compensation. Thank you for your support in advance. Enjoy.
I don't know about you, but I keep hearing about Bitcoin Diamond. If you're like me, you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? I finally had to break down and go look it up. So this presentation will cover what is Bitcoin Diamond BCD and will allow you to more fully understand this new Bitcoin hard fork cryptocurrency. What you already know is Bitcoin is the first accessible cryptocurrency to prove its true worth and stability. It has done so well to where major financial institutions are backing it up, and it helps to bring in lots of new investors to cryptocurrency exchange markets. Sometimes when a currency is so popular, developers want to branch out and take the same idea but improve upon it or make some changes to make it work in a better way. This can also be in a way that the original wasn't capable of performing. This is how we end up with things like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and now Bitcoin Diamond. The code for the original Bitcoin was modified with some slight changes and then pushed out to those who held the original Bitcoin cryptocoin before the block 495866 was created. If you were holding Bitcoin at that point, you were then eligible to receive 10 Bitcoin Diamond crypto coins for every 1 Bitcoin that you held at the time. How is Bitcoin Diamond really different from Bitcoin Original? Well, first off, there will be a supply that is 10 times more than what Bitcoin is at 210 million Bitcoin Diamond coins versus Bitcoin, which will eventually be at 21 million coins. Bitcoin Diamond is focused on being a privacy-oriented coin, similar to another coin called Monero. It plans to achieve this by encrypting the transaction amounts and balances of all BCD users, or Bitcoin Diamond users. In its current state, the original Bitcoin isn't exactly anonymous when it comes to transactions. They're all displayed on a universal ledger. Every Bitcoin wallet address and every transaction for public view. How do you claim Bitcoin Diamond? Well, if you were holding Bitcoin originally before the creation of block 495866, then you are eligible. You can then claim your amount. If you hold your Bitcoin on exchanges, they will start or have started trading them already. The blockchain for Bitcoin Diamond should go live by the end of January 2018. Exchanges that currently deal with Bitcoin Diamond are Binance, Yobit, Gate.io. If you don't currently hold Bitcoin on any of these exchanges that trade or will trade in Bitcoin Diamond, then one should look for alternative ways to claim their free coins manually. So what we have here is a new hard fork added to the Bitcoin cryptoverse that promises to help with increasing privacy of users' transactions and balances. It will also have 10 times the supply of coins as the original Bitcoin and will run on its own blockchain once it goes live. This also hopes to free up congestion from the main Bitcoin blockchain network and allow for smoother transactions on a regular basis. So it does show some promise, but only time will tell with this one. Want more info and advice about Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more? Check out the links in the description or beneath this video. Plus, learn how to get free Bitcoins and lots more. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this Crypto Cash Ready video.
Special bonus. Grab special free offer worth $10 of Bitcoins now. Go to http://bit.ly/Coinbase Time. Again, go to bit.ly/Coinbase Time.